Good girl, Alli. Be easy with her.
I'm a picture blanket, okay?
Such a good puppy. Is she your baby?
She's your baby. Okay.
I know you are. Are you having fun with her? And give her a hug?
Yeah.
Be easy.
Alright. There you go.
Oof, be careful. Easy.
Lay down. Okay?
Alright, let her go to sleep now.
There you go. I'm playing.
Yeah, I know, you just like to cover up over and over and over. She's being a really good dog. Do you take care of your puppies? Alli used to be my puppy.
You're my puppy now.
But she used to be my puppy.
You're my puppy now.
Oh. You took her from me? You took my puppy.
I took...
Yeah, you took my puppy.
She likes your blanket. I'm having fun.
I'm glad you're having fun. Is Alli having fun?
Yeah.
You think? I think she's just extremely patient and loves you a whole bunch. Say sweet dreams.
Don't see your fishing, okay?
Okay.